Hello and welcome. You are now looking at Etsy.com. And Etsy is a marketplace where you can sell anything that starts with something that you created, and in most cases will be something that you made with your hands. However, in some cases, you will find that there are digital concepts that are being sold. And Etsy does have specifics on what they mean by handmade. In many cases, there are tutorials that are being sold on Etsy. For example, if we were to type in the keyword tutorials to the Etsy search bar, you would see that that would yield 313,000 results. Now, in most cases, those tutorials will be directed toward those who are handcrafting their items and those who sell handcrafted items. However, there are cases where courses are being sold on subjects that don't necessarily fully involve handcrafted items. But if you do sell something that is handmade, Etsy is the place where you can go and sell your items. Now, one of the things that Etsy sellers depend on is the fact that their listing can be found in organic search. And if their item is specific to what the individual is looking for, that individual can find them in a Google search and then be taken to the Etsy marketplace where they can find that item and more that are going to be like it. So in this course, what we're going to do is walk through the process of taking your item, whether it is digital or physical, and getting it set up on Etsy in order for you to sell. Okay, so with that, thanks, and I will see you in the first video.